In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a brand new Shopify account and a store set up, ready for you to customize and launch when you're ready. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. Make sure you're on the official site, and if you have multiple accounts, consider using a fresh browser window so nothing autofills unexpectedly. On the homepage, click Start for Free. This begins a free trial so you can explore the platform without entering payment details right now. When prompted, enter the email address you want to use for your business. Pick an email you can access easily, since Shopify may send important notifications there. After typing your email, click Continue with Email. You might see other sign-in options, but sticking with email keeps things simple for this setup. Next, create a secure password. Use something strong and unique and store it in a password manager so you don't lose access later. Then click Create Shopify Account. Shopify will spin up your account and guide you through the first-time setup. If you're shown a plan or checkout screen during setup, look for the option to skip it for now. Choose Skip to continue the free trial without committing to a paid plan yet. You can choose a plan later once you're comfortable. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. Shopify will ask a few quick questions to tailor your experience, things like whether you're just getting started and what you plan to sell. Answer honestly. These choices help Shopify pre-configure your dashboard, and you can change most of them later. You'll then be asked to add your store name. Choose something memorable and professional. This name will appear in your admin and on customer-facing pages, and it will also generate a temporary Shopify subdomain. While you can change the display name later, the original subdomain is harder to change, so pick carefully if you can. Once your store name is in, click Finish. Shopify will create your store and take you to the admin dashboard. That's it. You've successfully created a Shopify store. From this dashboard, you'll be able to add products, customize your theme, set up payments and shipping, and connect a custom domain when you're ready to launch. A few quick tips before you go. Keep your login details secure, watch for any prompts to verify your email, and take your time exploring the dashboard. With your store created, you're set to build, test, and go live.